Hi everyone, good day. So this is called butterfly locks or messy locks. I want to show you how I achieved this. I used a pack of Darling Kinky and 3 packs of Darling Passion Twist hair. Color 33. I used color 33 to achieve this look. Okay, so I'm about to begin and I bring out the hair, and actually you start by opening up the passion twist. That's opening up the passion twist hair. So I make it a bit rough and just like unraveling it. So when you see it, you see how I plait it. And here is a kinky hair. I just cut it in two, like in half. So it depends on the length you want. And then I use half of that particular bundle you see in my hand. So this was actually how I used it, or this was the size I used to cut the look I wanted. So here is me trying to measure the length. I made one part of the kinky longer and measured the length. And then I crochet under the braids, as you can see in the video. Same thing with the passion twist hair. I crocheted it to make one part longer and the other side very short. The longer part is the one I'm going to use to wrap around the locks to achieve the look. Now, when you begin, just keep plaiting. Like, just keep wrapping around. When you're sure that you've gotten a firm grip from the roots. Now, how to do the locks? If you watch closely, I use my thumb to stick out some of the hair. Yes, that's it over there. Stick out some of the hair, then wrap above it and then go under it. Watch again. Wrap above it, then under that hair I use my thumb to bring out. So I believe it's self-explanatory if you watch the video closely. Also, you can decide to do this multiple times depending on the look your client wants and depending on the length and depending on the look your client wants actually and how messy she wants the locks. If she doesn't want it really messy, you can decide to reduce the number of times you do this method of sticking out the hair on the locks. So it's a matter of choice depending on how rough you want it. Now there was something I was going to say. The reason some people prefer, or the reason I prefer going with the crochet hair under crocheting the hair from the roots and not just starting to plait it is because I don't want in future my customer, because I've had a similar situation like that. A customer of mine came back saying that the hair was like slipping out from the roots. It wasn't firm enough. And mostly it's because of the texture of this particular hair. Is silky in nature. So that's why I'm using this particular method, right? So yeah, I'm joining it. I'm joining another extension to start wrapping it around. And if you see how I did it, I made sure that I first added it and then added a new one, which I put on top of the head and then cross it over, then finished with the previous one, which was a bit small or small remaining. Yeah, then I continued with this new long one. You understand? So basically that's it. If you watch closely, you'll see the technique. So yeah, like I said earlier, it's best if you just do this crochet method. You understand? Just pass the hair like under the roots of the braids so that you don't have it slipping out. Yeah, at this point I was measuring the hair to see if I've achieved the length I wanted, if I've gotten to the exact length where the hair is, and then to know if I would wrap it, like finish it here. So just watch how I wrap the hair around. At this point I was going back up I was wrapping the hair going back upwards because I was done already. I've gotten the length I want. So yeah, when I finished, the tiny bit I had left, I just tied it. Like, it's not like I created a knot. No, I created a knot around the hair. And then the remaining part, I just, wrap it around the hair. That way it's really secure. See, at this point, I was now wrapping it around the hair, the very tiny part. So that way it's very secure. So yeah, if you use this technique, I promise you, you will not have any slip away. Your customer will enjoy her hair until the last days of when she's about to take it off. So I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and it will encourage me to bring more videos like these, and it will help the video to go reach more people. Thank you.